Here.
Are you recording now?
Yep.
This is Casper flossing his teeth.
It must be face onto him, really.
Watch now, you'll pull it through.
Oh, I got lost one. That's my fault.
See him pulling back?
Mm.
Floss your teeth, Casper. Get all the plaque.
I wish Margaret didn't influence the highway, because that's what I'd do if I was her. See, that's funny, Shirley.
This is funny, man.
The youngsters do that man in long time. Look.
Yeah, he's not doing what he used to, though. That's I probably likes a longer strip. I don't know, but I didn't want to take too much.
You said, "Why are you laughing at?"
Oh, ears sparky.
He stopped and he looked at her.
Oh, ears sparky.
Here, come on, we got to go down with the dog in.
Yeah, because it's only +3, +5 or something.
Go get Sparky, guys. Let him in.
No, we can't.